Hello everyone! Hello mga suke! Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanood, nag-like, nag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel at higit sa lahat sa mga bumili ng Zoila and Sofia merchandise sa Shopee and Lazada. Maraming salamat po. Today I'm going to discuss about Monea Powerdose Hair Color Protect. It is a deep conditioning hair treatment especially formulated to minimize color fading. So if you have colored hair, this product is for you. So keep tuning in to know more about the product. Let's discuss about the packaging and design. Ang design ng Monea Powerdose Hair Color Protect ay masasabi kong maganda and presentable. Madali itong ma-identify dahil ito ay may yellow pump, nakalagay sa white bottle, striking orange naman ang label na may nakalagay na paraben-free. Meron po itong laman na 250 grams. Makikita naman sa side na ito ang manufacturer information, product code, and then sa upper side ay mga ingredients. Pwede nyo pong i-check kung ano-ano ang components ng product for additional information. And then let's go to other side. Makikita po dito ang direction kung paano gamitin ang product at kung ano ang benefits once na ginamit ito. Sa bottom part, makikita ang expiration date and product reference. So, wish ko lang na magkaroon ng improvement to secure the bottle para maiwasan ang possible tampering. Ang color niya ay creamy white. Malambot sa hair pag ginamit, tapos mabula siya kaya dapat i-rinse ng maigi pag ginamit ito. Also, it has mild flowery scent. Let's talk about two main ingredients. It has glycerin that moisturizes hair and is known to prevent breakage. Also, it has the ability to promote hair growth. Next ingredient is polysilicon that intensively coats the hair, providing a shield from the damaging sun or from thermal styling. Also, it helps extend life of hair color. How to use the product? Step 1. Choose the right product. Find a deep conditioning treatment that's right for your hair. So if you have colored hair, look for products that protects your hair or extend its life. Second step is to wash your hair. Use gentle shampoo and avoid shampoos made with sulfates. Nawawala kasi yung mga natural oils ng buhok, doon nag-start mag-dry at magkaroon ng breakage. Third step is to apply deep conditioning. Apply the product from root to tip and then massage gently. Step 4. Let the product set in. So, kailangan po kasi ng buhok na ma-absorb lahat ng nutrients niya from deep conditioning products within 10 minutes. So, ang gagawin natin is to cover your hair with shower cap or warm towel, pero ito po ay optional. Final step is to rinse out the product. So, you have to remove the shower cap or towel and rinse your hair with running water. So, maraming beses hanggat mawala po lahat ng bula. Let's go to frequently asked questions. Is it safe? Yes, it's FDA approved. How many times do I need to use it? You can use it once or twice a week. Can I use it daily instead of conditioner? It is not recommended to use it daily po. better to use sulfate-free conditioner regularly. Hindi na ba magpe-fade ang hair ko pag gumamit ako niyan? Matatagalan po ang pagpe-fade. Yan po yung function ng product. What is paraben-free? Parabens are synthetic chemicals used in cosmetics as preservatives. So ito pong product na to ay wala pong paraben. So very safe po siya. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanood, nag-like, nag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel. If you have questions, feel free to ask. We will answer it as soon as possible. Maraming salamat po.